Hey everyone, welcome to RNS Life After 55. We're going to just kind of show you what we're doing today. Not a how-to. Of course, we try not to really do how-tos, just how we do it. But Rusty's working on trim and possibly doors for the wardrobe cabinet today. So I'm going to let you guys follow along and show you what we're doing. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in a bit. And he's brad nailing the trim on the cabinet right now, which is simple. The hardest part was he had to figure out those funky cuts for that slanty part right there. Am I right, Rusty?
Yeah.
It's the hardest part of the whole thing. Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Oh, crap. Some didn't come out the way he wanted it to.
I pushed that up too high.
He's kind of picky, and I always tell him it's fine, it'll work. See, and I bought some of those little cube things that are really pretty over there.
Give me the hammer.
Okay, he needs a hammer. Hammer is where? I'm not seeing a hammer. Am I blind? Oh, right way up here under everything.
Well, that ain't the one I wanted, but
It's big enough to do the job. It's a big hammer.
It's now the 2024 Medicare annual.
The cabinet really looks good with that dark on that white. I think that's what we're going to have to do for our small house. I really like that. But there's where we're at so far. Rusty's now working on cutting the cabinet door. So now Rusty's working on the shelf that goes up there, and I love it when he's having a good day. So we're going to call this a fairly good day. He's gotten a lot done, so, well, not as much as you would normally have. He's complaining. He got the trim on the other cabinet, and he's starting this one, and he has cut out the door for the microwave cabinet and the wardrobe cabinet. But he doesn't have the right router bit. He's looking for something. So, but we call that a good day, right? I mean, I think he's done a lot for considering. So that's where we're at so far. So hopefully next time I film, there'll be a new cabinet up there that we can put the microwave back up there. Because right now it's sitting over there in the floor in the way. So that's where we're at, guys. And sometimes you just have to stare at the situation until you figure out a solution. Right, Russ? He's trying to figure out this stuff. We're not sure. We're winging this project for sure. Okay, I hope the sun's not in the way, but y'all, they started moving dirt out here today for our house. So, of course, it's not near enough or whatever, but they're working on it. So, anything's a start, and we're excited.